Assalam Alaikum listeners. How are you all? Hope you all are doing great. Today I have come up with a lesson of Islamic studies and we'll discuss about the 5 pillars of Islam. The 5 pillars of Islam are just fundamental functions in Islam believed compulsory by the believers and will be the base of Muslim life. There are 5 pillars of Islam. They are Shahadat, declaration or announcement of faith. Second is Salat, saying prayer. Zakat, charity. Sawm, fasting. Hajj, pilgrimage to Mecca. Dear listeners, do you know what is declaration of faith? Declaration of faith is the first pillar of Islam. And it is also called saying Kalimah Shahadat. Declaration of faith is the first thing to do when any person enters in Islam from any other religion. Shahada is basically declaration of faith and trust that there is just one Allah and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last prophet of Allah. Now, my dear listeners, let's discuss about the second pillar of Islam, which is Salat, saying prayer. Salat includes 5 daily prayers based on Sunnah. 5 prayers time includes Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib and Isha. Fajr prayer is performed before sunrise. Zohar is performed at midday after the sun has surpassed. Asr is the evening prayer before the sunset. Maghrib is the evening prayer performed after sunset. Isha is performed at night. All these prayers are performed by Muslims after washing their body in a particular way, called wuzu, and recited while facing towards Kaaba at Mecca. Do you know which is the third pillar of Islam? The third pillar of Islam is charity, Zakat. Zakat is purification of your wealth. Zakat is the practice of charitable giving based on accumulated wealth. It's the personal duty of every Muslim to facilitate the financial hardships of the others and to strive towards removing inequality. Zakat includes spending a portion of wealth for the sake of the poor or needy people. Now let's discuss the fourth pillar of Islam, which is Sawm or fasting. Fasting is also an obligatory act through the entire month of Ramadan. Ramadan is the 9th month of Islamic calendar. During fasting, Muslims abstain from food and drink from sunrise to sunset and particularly remain beware of their sins. Fasting is obligatory to every Muslim girl and boy who reaches puberty, but there is a relaxation for Sikhs and travelers. My dear listeners, the fifth and the last pillar of Islam is Hajj, pilgrimage to Mecca. The Hajj is a pilgrimage that happens throughout the Islamic month of Zil-Hajj into the holy city of Mecca. Every able-bodied Muslim is obliged to make the pilgrimage to Mecca at least once in their life. May Allah Pak enable all of us to fulfill all the Islamic duties wholeheartedly. Aameen. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. And I'll, as always, catch you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.